So we are currently at my old high school's pond right now. Or we're gonna be fishing it at least. Hopefully we don't get kicked off. I'm gonna be switching off the Medusa bait. So I actually don't know if there's fish in this pond. I've seen people fishing it. I've never seen anybody catch anything out of it, but today we're gonna find out if there actually is fish in it. If I can find where the heck it is. I gotta make sure I fish here fast, dude. I think they get out of school in an hour or two, so I don't want to be a stinking scene here with a fishing rod and be the odd man out. It would honestly be super cool if we were able to catch a fish out of this pond. Like, it looks like they have stuff set up, like they have the bench and stuff, but I don't know if there's fish. I don't think they stock it, and on top of that, I just don't think there's ever been fish in it. But I guess today we're gonna find out. There's a lot of stuff in the water where fish can hide. Like there's a tree down in the water. The weeds are looking pretty nice. Not seeing any fish action though. We'll wake them up here real quick. I don't know what I want to toss in here though. This would honestly be insane if there's actually fish in here. By the looks of it, it looks like it'd be a good place for fish, but I don't think it's ever been stocked or anything. We might have to walk around it. Yeah, dude, this thing is... Dude, I just thought about the best video idea you could possibly think of. Imagine if every school had like a pond or something, and I just went around and I did like a series of videos on which school like has the best fish, like where I can catch the biggest fish out of, like a bass or something, has like the best fishing potential, like where we catch the biggest fish out of. But this is the only school that I know has a pond in front of it. I could do more research, but if you guys would like to see a video like that, where I just go around Wisconsin finding high schools, middle schools, elementary schools, and so forth, and like maybe even colleges, if I think about it, we could probably even add colleges in. But if you guys want to see something like that, where I just go around to schools and see like which school has the best fishing potential, leave a comment down below and just leave a like on this video. Dude, fishing line right here. I'm out of breath. There's a fishing line right there and it looks pretty new. Somebody's been back here. That idea is just cooking in my brain right now. Like, just sounds like the best YouTube video idea I've heard in a while in the fishing realm. Imagine. I don't think it's been done before. I haven't seen it, so I'll probably have to do my research when I get home. Dude, look at all the tennis balls. It's because we're right by the tennis court up there. There's just been, I've seen like probably 25 tennis balls, and they're all just floating everywhere. That's crazy. Oh, there's a bluegill. There is fish in here, bro. That's either a bluegill or a baby bass. There is fish in here. Oh my gosh. There actually is fish in here. I just saw something swim away. It looked like a bluegill. Either that or it could have been a small bass, but it looked like a bluegill if I'm being honest. Imagine there's monsters. Yeah, I see a bunch of like small minnows. There's a sign in the water right there. Imagine there's just a monster hiding under that thing. Yeah, but I'm seeing a lot of bluegill. This just might be a better spot when we come back to it in the summer. When these fish get a little bit bigger and the other ones start getting, the big ones start getting hungry. But there's clearly small fish in here. I don't know about the big potential, the big fish potential, since we haven't seen them, but they might be in the deeper parts. That just gets me thinking, should I put on a Should I put on another one? Should I try another bait for a bigger fish? Dude, we got deer tracks. There's a deer going in here. Coming down, probably trying to get some water. Yeah, these deer tracks go all the way down. Oh yeah. There's definitely deer that come down here. Somebody's fishing here, dude. What is that? That's a headbanger. Somebody's fishing here, dude. Maybe there are big fish in here. What is that? It's a tennis ball. I thought it was an egg. Yeah, there's deer going right up to this thing. I can't even make it up there. There's a piece of wood down right here. But I'm gonna slip if I go to it. Maybe not. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, they're bluegills. Dude, we might stay here and actually fish. Oh dude, but those are way too small. Oh dude, I wish I brought the swirly tails. Should we just sit here and wait and see if there's like big fish that just come swimming by? Yeah, I'm not seeing any big fish. Alright, we gotta lower the weight on this thing. Alright, let's try this out. This is a super light one. I don't think this is gonna work on a bait caster, but we'll try it out quick. It's a lot better than the other one. Dude, this would be insane if we saw a stinking huge bass just go right for it. I don't think we have big bass in here though. There's so many trees around me, I can't really cast. I mean, I wasn't really expecting to catch any fish here, just because we are technically still in winter in here. Oh God. We still technically are in winter here in Wisconsin. It's only late February. So we're just getting really warm weather. Like I'm wearing shorts and a sweatshirt right now and I'm sweating. I think it's around 50 degrees right now and this is like record high. We're like 20 or 30 above average right now, which is crazy. So I'm not really expecting these fish to be super active. But I thought I would give it a little bit of a try. This definitely has video and fish potential in the future. And we're seeing some fish. We might not see any bass in the future here, unless we catch one now, but could be nice just to sit here during school hours and just go away at some bluegill. Imagine doing a catch and cook out here. Bring one of our little burners, do a catch and cook on a bluegill. That would be crazy. Yeah, see, I'm seeing bluegill. They went right under the weeds right there. Oh yeah, there's a bigger bluegill. That's gotta be the biggest bluegill we've seen here. Little minnow, is that a perch or a bass? I think that's a little bass. I can't tell, dude. Well, if there's little perch and bass in here, there's gotta be big ones. There's gotta be big ones somewhere, right? Dude, it'd be so crazy just to pull out a monster. Yeah, like look at, I just realized there's a thin layer of ice over there. That must be the spot that gets the least amount of sunlight. I guess it just shows how cold this water is still. Yeah, we're not getting any chasers either. I say we call it quits right now. That kind of sucks. We know there's potential here though. But I mean, like I said, if you guys want to see me come back here and fish when there's actually a little bit more fish here, or if you guys want to see me do that one idea, like I was saying, make sure you leave a like on this video. It'll let me know that you guys want to see me come back to this pond and catch a fish during school hours or something. Some crazy video. It'd be a crazy video if somebody showed up, like a student or teacher. Maybe that'd be crazy if even the principal showed up. But like I was saying earlier, if you guys want to see a video where I go around to different schools, whether it's like elementary, middle school, high school, college, if you guys want to see me go around to those different schools that have ponds, like I'll do my research, find ones that have ponds next to them and stuff like that. But if you guys want to see that, make sure you drop a like on this video as well. Looks like that's all she wrote. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe.